Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, we have a run gain glitch. So go ahead and start putting on your tennis shoes, grabbing your pocketbook, and heading for the door. I'm going to tell you all about it because this is amazing. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. Also, while you're at it, if you could hit that thumbs up button for me, it's a free way that you can help support the channel. Leave me a comment down below, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so I'm in the car. We are at Dollar General this morning getting some gain deals, and I do have a run glitch for you all. But first, a couple of quick updates. First of all, if you need some 5 off $25 scenarios, or if you need some gain deals for today, I did post 3 in the video yesterday, so I'm going to leave that video linked in the pinned comment down below. So if you need some gain scenarios, there's some really good ones. Go and check out that video. You can do any of those scenarios, and then I'm going to show you one more that I did just now. I kind of had to mix and match because this store that I'm at right now, we're out of the Gain dish soap. I'm probably going to have to go to another store because they are now out of the fabric softener and the 5.7 ounce fireworks. So we'll see what I can come up with, but I want to go ahead and let y'all know about this deal before I continued on with my 5 off $25 shopping today, because we have some really good deals. We've got Dove. Oh my goodness, we have all kinds of good deals. Snuggle, crazy. So, a couple of updates. Now, on the first transaction that I tried to do was this one, exactly what you're seeing right here. And I tried to do it on an account where I had the 5 off 30 gain, the 5 off 25, the 3 off 15 DG store coupon, and the 3 off 15 back to school DG store coupon. I had all of those clipped to my accounts. Sorry for the shakiness, guys. So I had all 4 of those DG store coupons clipped to my accounts because I wanted to see what would happen. And what happened was, unfortunately, at self-checkout, the 2 of the 3 off 15 coupons did come off. However, it kicked off the 5 off 30 gain and the 5 off 25. So that is unfortunate. Instead of it taking off, you know, like $16, right? Yeah, $16, it only took off 6, and it wouldn't let me use the 5 off 25, even a paper coupon. So I did try that a couple of different ways, and it just was not working. So if you have both of those 3 off 15s clipped to your account that you want to do gain deals with today, you need to go ahead and do a 3 off 15 deal at the regular register. That way that 3 off 15 will you know, come off of your account. If you do it at self-checkout, those 3 off 15s just stay on your accounts, which is a great thing, but it's not a great thing when we're trying to use those higher value 5 off 30 and 5 off 25s, right? And especially if you want to do this deal right here. So that's the little update on that. If anybody has any other experiences that they want to share, just leave it down in the comment section below. All of that information is very helpful. Now, onto this gain deal. So, like I said, I did upload a video yesterday. We have 3 gain scenarios in that video. I had to adjust this one just a little bit because they are out of the Gain dish soap, and they are now out of the Gain 5.7 ounce fireworks. So I may have to hit up another store. We're going to see what I can come up with. But here is the deal. I'm going to try to type it up really quick so that you guys will have a slide, a screenshot that y'all can save into your phone. But basically, I picked up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents, $7.50. One of the Gain fabric softeners at $2.95. Those are on sale this week. One of the Gain sheets, 60 count sheets for $2.95. One of the Gain flings for $4.50. One of the Gain 5.7 ounce fireworks. That is very important on the size, so that $1.50 off 1 coupon will attach. Then I picked up 3 of the Febreze air fresheners at $3.25 each. Whichever scents that you choose from, all 3 of these do work with the Gain coupon, but y'all make sure that you scan. You want to make sure that all of your products work with that 5 off 30 Gain coupon. So I went up to self-checkout, and here's what I did. I scanned this little baby right here, this paper 5 off 25 from for today, July the 23rd. Scan that first, all right? Then type in your phone number. Then click pay now. All right, pay now. And you're going to watch all those coupons come off wonderfully. And the paper 5 off 25. So you're going to get this coupon coming off. You're going to get the digital coupon coming off. And you're going to get the digital 5 off 30 gain coupon coming off. So all three are stacking and working together today. So let's take a quick look at my receipt, just so that y'all know. So there are all of my products, as y'all can see there. There's all of the digital coupons, and right down there at the bottom, right here, y'all can see a $5 discount, a $5 discount, and a $5 discount. So that's that paper 5 off 25, the digital 5 off 25, and the 5 off 30 gain coupon all coming off, making my subtotal with tax $6.44. But minus tax, that is $4.85 for 8 items, making each one just 60 cents each. You cannot beat it. I am going to go through every account that I have, which I don't have a whole lot, but I do have a few that I can use, and I'm going to call a couple of family members as well, because this is an amazing glitch, deal. And we had this a couple of weeks ago, and it's back. It didn't work last weekend. I'm not sure if it worked the weekend before. Maybe it did. But the last run gain glitch that we had like this, it was awesome. And then it didn't work the next weekend. So y'all take advantage of this glitch while we have it. All right, I'm going to pop up the breakdown for this transaction on your screen here in just a second. But keep in mind, y'all can do any of the gain scenarios that you want. Just make sure that you scan the paper. Whoops. Got things flying everywhere. Scan the paper 5 off 25. That is for today, July the 23rd. Scan that one first. Then type in your phone number at self-checkout. This is a self-checkout only deal. Scan the paper 5 off 25. Type in your phone number. Click pay now. And then watch all of those digital coupons come off. All right. All right. I'm going to pop up your scenario, and I'll talk to y'all in just a second. Alright guys, so here is your written out breakdown. So pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50. You can pick up the liquid laundry detergent, the flings, the fabric softener, the fireworks, or the sheets. Then pick up one of the Gain flings for $4.50. One of the Gain 5.7 ounce fireworks for $4.50. One of the Gain fabric softeners on sale for $2.95. One of the Gain fabric softener sheets on sale for $2.95. And 3 of the Febreze air fresheners at $3.25 each. And that's going to put your subtotal at $32.15. Alright, now here is your list of coupons. So you're going to need a 5 off 25 paper DG store coupon, the 5 off 30 gain DG store coupon, and the 5 off 30 digital DG store coupon. The 2 off 1 gain laundry, the 150 off 1 gain laundry detergent, the 150 off 1 gain or downy scent beads, the 150 off 1 gain or downy fabric softener, the 150 off 1 gain or bounce dryer sheets, and the 330 off 2 Febreze, and the 1 off 1 Febreze. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons all the way down to $4.85 for 8 items, making each one just 60 cents each. Oh my gosh, y'all. I hope I have some more accounts with all of these coupons on them, because, oh my gosh, I'm going to have to go hit up another store. Alright guys, good luck. I hope you guys can get out there and grab up this deal and find all of the products that you need. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any run glitches like this one right here. And please hit that thumbs up button, because it's a free way that you can help support the channel. Leave me a comment down below, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. Good luck, and I will see you on the next one.